3 of the fastest ways to make money on Clickbank in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to find affiliate products on Clickbank and earn your first $1,000 without paying for advertising or building websites. Believe it or not, it can be done. What you need to do is to watch the video up to the end. In fact, what I'm about to share with you is exactly how I got started many years ago, and today, as a product owner, this is what thousands of my own affiliates are doing to quit their day jobs and earn a solid income from home with Clickbank. This is Robby TV. Please subscribe to this channel for interesting video like this. First of all, most important part, you must find a red hot category and choose a product that's proven to sell on Clickbank. With thousands of products to choose from on Clickbank, it can feel overwhelming deciding which ones to promote. For me, the best products have always been anything to do with health, wealth, or relationships. When it comes to promotable categories, these are known as the Big 3. It's where most people spend their money. Plus, the Big 3 offer solutions to problems that people want solved fast. People want to save their marriage. They want to lose weight before their wedding. They want to make an extra $500 in a weekend. You get the idea. Here are 3 steps to start making money with Clickbank fast and free. Let's dive in. 1. Create a Reddit post. Reddit is jam-packed with potential buyers. Let's say you're promoting an ebook creator tool, like Scribble, which ticks all the boxes we mentioned earlier. This is a tool that almost every online marketer and business owner can use to quickly create free reports, ebooks, and other formatted content they can sell, or give away to people in order to build their list. In Reddit, simply search for a subreddit related to online marketing, list building, email marketing, or even something more general, like starting or growing a business. Next, visit the vendor's affiliate page and grab a ready-made article to use. Top vendors will have completed articles you can use to promote their products. Then, reword the article so that it's in your own voice. Perhaps you could add a few thoughts of your own. When you create your post, make sure it sounds personal and friendly. You don't want your post to sound too much like a sales pitch. Try starting the article with, "Hi guys. I know a lot of people struggle with creating and designing ebooks. Here are a few tips that might help." Then post the article to Reddit. Reddit doesn't allow direct promotion of products, so you can't include your affiliate link directly inside the post. Instead, see who engages with your post and then simply reach out to them via DM. In your DM, you can answer their question, ask them if they have any other questions, then send them your affiliate link as a suggested tool to make it even easier to get the job done. For more sales, consider offering them some kind of bonus to encourage them to buy through your affiliate link. A lot of product vendors will even provide you with these free bonuses you can offer. 2. Do a YouTube video review. This is one of my favorite methods. These days, it's so easy to create a 5-minute video that talks about the product, what you love about it, and what you don't like. I recommend that you actually buy and use the product to be able to provide an honest review. This will allow you to walk viewers through the tool directly on the screen, which builds trust and shows your review is genuine. Be sure to optimize your video title, description, and keywords so that it shows up alongside other related videos and when people search for that product on Google and YouTube. And don't forget to include your affiliate link in the description. 3. Reach out and answer people. This is another classic approach that can make you sales for free. Answer sites like Quora have thousands of people who have a problem that your chosen Clickbank product can solve. For example, let's say we're promoting squareribble.com, a tool that allows you to create ebooks and reports in minutes without writing a single word. Check out Quora and search for people who are asking questions about how to create free reports and ebooks. These people clearly are looking for a tool to help them. You'll also find lots of people on Reddit and social media looking for answers to a specific question. By answering their question and showing them how to get results fast with the product you're promoting, you've provided value and guided them to their solution. And, if they don't buy, there's a good chance someone else will after reading your answer too. Over time, your answer can become a steady source of clicks and commissions for you. And finally, don't overcomplicate this. As you can see, there are plenty of ways to promote Clickbank products for free, without any paid advertising or a website. It doesn't have to be complicated. What matters is that you stick with it. Show up every day and follow these methods until you're making regular sales, day after day. This is how some of the most successful affiliates get started and are now earning thousands of dollars a day. As you begin to make sales, it's a good idea to reinvest some or all of your earnings into paid advertising and building your own website to capture emails. This way, you create a tribe of subscribers that you can promote other products to month after month, providing you with a predictable and lasting income. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.